Syllabical and Steganographical Table is an 18th-century work. It is believed to be the first cryptography chart made. Author. The work was written by P.R. Wouves. It was thought by Philadelphia book dealer W.D. DeWitt that this author's name was a play on words and a pseudonym for Benjamin Franklin. He thought that the P.R. stood for Poor Richard, a pseudonym Franklin used for Richard Saunders. As the author of Poor Richard's Almanac, Franklin had a reputation for using ciphers and codes in secret communications. The printer for this work was developed by Benjamin Franklin Batch, the grandson of Benjamin Franklin. Description: the work was of 2 pages and a chart. The 2 pages were title pages which were in English and French. Printed on the back of these pages were information and instructions for the chart that was within. This chart consisted of a large single sheet of paper of a table. It contained 62 alphabetical columns of 6,138 two-letter combinations, numbered from 1 to 99 so that words could be translated into numbers. The table chart sheet was normally kept folded for carrying around. The folded chart then was opened for using, as one would do with a folded road map. The chart table was to be used to put into code a message that was to be kept secret from all others except the recipient. It was a cipher system. The idea behind this was that anything written in the Latin alphabet could be put into a numerical code of a set of numbers. It was initially set up for English and French but could also be used for Spanish, Portuguese, Dutch, or Italian. Wouves's chart for a secret correspondence method was only intended for certain of his closest friends. He was working on steganography. The initial preliminary table was printed in 1797 as a partial work. There never was an official printed edition of his total completed work. Characteristics: the sheet of the chart table when open is 27 inches wide by 19.25 inches deep. It has a copyright from Pennsylvania, District No. 192 issued to author P.R. Wouves on November 9, 1787. According to U.S. Army cryptographer William F. Friedman, a table is of significant historical importance for what it represents.